Have you ever wondered what it takes to become an HVAC technician? Right now, the demand for skilled technicians in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry is skyrocketing. Becoming an HVAC technician is not as complicated as you might think. Firstly, a high school diploma or equivalent is generally required. A sturdy foundation in math and science is vital for understanding HVAC systems. Vocational or trade schools offer specific HVAC programs to further your knowledge. Remember, education is the first step towards this career. After completing your education, you'll need to obtain certification. Options abound, including the coveted EPA Section 608 certification. Remember, state licensing is paramount as it underscores your technical prowess. Certification and licensing assure employers and customers of your competence. Lastly, most HVAC technicians undergo on-the-job training. This immersive experience can span months or even years, fluctuating in duration based on the complexity of the systems in question. It's a crucial phase that equips you for real-world scenarios. So, to become an HVAC technician, you need education, certification, licensing, and training. Remember, it starts with a solid educational foundation, followed by acquiring the right certifications, obtaining a license, and gaining hands-on experience. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming an HVAC technician.